Hey everybody, how you doing today? I have a special video for you today. This is God of War Ascension. And this game has been on my mind since day one. I wanted to play it on GPD Win 3. I tried a lot of ways to get it done. I failed, tried again, failed, and finally I made it to this point right here. I'm going to show you what setting that I'm working on and how to play, how is the performance here. Now, I apologize for not showing the stats here because the afterburn is not working. There is bug inside the software itself, so it doesn't work. So I'm gonna show you right now the you can see the performance right here if it's 30, above 30 or 60. So in this area you clearly can see this around 25 FPS to 30, and it's playable, as you can see. Once you get into like any areas that's indoors, it gets even better. So if you get it in here, for example, we are getting more faster FPS. This is around 40 FPS to 50 FPS, even with the effects inside. So look at this. So not all the game is like 30 FPS, 25 FPS, like around that. It doesn't go below that, almost like 20 FPS, sometimes goes 20, but there has to be a lot of effects going on, a lot of engagement going on. But right now, like areas like this works really, really well. Now if you go, like for example, inside the area, this is very demanding. Like look at this, the lights, background, it's actually demanding. So still goes to 30, 25 FPS. It's very, very playable. So it's compiling shaders right now, and this is the only I would say the con playing this game is that compiling shader, you need to be very, very patient with this thing. But overall, guys, look at this. Oh, spoiler alert, by the way. Oh no, I'm in trouble. Right, everybody, this is the configuration that I'm working on. So CPU, as you can see, it's on the compiler. So you can see the setup here. This is what I do with the check marks. No GPU, Vulkan, and I disabled aliasing. So also no VSync. Only one check here. Apply, save configuration. Now the other thing that I actually advise you to do, so it's at version 1.04 here. So if I go right click, go to manage patches. When you download the patch, of course, you'll get three options here. We have to check mark all of them. You have to disable the MLLA and disable depth of field and motion blur. And once you do that, click apply and save, and then you're good to go. Just make sure you get this version of the this is the EU version, so that's where it works for me, specifically for GPD Win 3. So the FPS is actually good. I advise you to get the updates also until 1.12. I'll download that update later, but this is the setting that I'm using. And also battery, it gives you around 1 hour of gameplay. So this is like from so I started at 100% and went down to 50, so in half hour. So 1 hour you can play this game only 1 hour with the GPD Win 3, which is yeah, that's reasonable because it's very, very demanding here. So yeah, battery, also make sure you set it at maximum here. Power, if you're actually not plugged, make sure it's on best performance so you can run really smoothly, and maximum power, of course. So yeah, this is the setting for the God of War Ascension. The game looks great. I'm looking forward to play it. It's not 60 FPS. It's even dips below 30. Sometimes get to 25, 20. Depends on the situation. I know some people say there is some bugs, some issues. I didn't face anything so far. But when I get to areas, maybe when I advance in the game, I might get stumble or some issues or error. But so far, I'm good. But people who have GPD Win 3 to play this game, please let us know in the comment section if you have any issues so others can learn from it and fix it, of course. Yeah, that's it, guys. Probably I'm gonna play it on my PC, on my gaming PC. I have a gaming PC, or maybe the laptop, but I don't think the laptop is gonna handle it. I mean, it's so demanding. So maybe you need an RTX GPU. So thank you guys for watching. Take care, everybody. Please like and share. See you later.